4 weeks, and there was a discussion in the first session. This gentleman has come up with a statement that said they are not just 4 weeks, but they are also 5 weeks. And in this break, we have done a good work for you people. That we have come across in the literature that there is also fifth week, that is value. And the value is a definition like anything, any problem or any data, until and unless it is converted to value, it is not useful. That is value. So I briefly repeat my point. Variety. In the variety, as mentioned, everyone is using social media, in which you are posting images, videos, comments, and comments in different languages. There is a variety of things being uploaded. Images of different formats. All these things shows the variety in volume. As just now we are seeing digital universe, 1.2 zettabyte of data every year. So how voluminous the applications are coming, and velocity. We know with what velocity data is entering in the World Wide Web. That smart trading or smart algorithms which are being used in business applications are so fastly performing the task that it is interpreted that each algorithm is taking almost 5 million decisions per second. You can just imagine with what velocity the data is entering World Wide Web. No human mind can dare to compete this speed in making decisions. It's only algorithms which are working with that velocity. Then variability or it's veracity almost. Veracity. It is nothing but their trustworthiness. How trustworthy is data? How pure it is from the post by the bots. So these are some of the points on which you can check out the big data. Then again, when you come across how the data are being generated, like in New York Stock Exchange, you can see that there are 1 tera of data is generated per day. 10 billion photos are approximately 10 billion photos are on Facebook, and 1 petabytes of storage is being accessed there. And so many applications there. 8 TB of data is generated by Twitter every day, and internet archives store around 2 petabytes of data, and they keep on growing every month. And like so many other details are given here. Then type of applications. When normal applications were there, it was of the capacity of some GBs. Like what is the payrolls, deal tracking, then contacts, sales pipelines. These are some of the small applications what businesses used to come across in day-to-day life, and it was of the range of databases. And they were just ranging from megabytes to some GBs, gigabytes, that's it, nothing more. Then again a Web 2.0 has come. It has introduced some more issues like digital marketing. It has come across search marketing. It has come across recommendations. You know, these are some of the applications which consume lot of capacity, and they recommend things based on lot of historic data. So all these things were introduced. Weblogs, storing of weblogs is a huge task, and that went on to crossing of terabyte capacity. And now when we come across big data, there are social sentiments are there, and RFID data generated is there, sensor data is there, then again clickstream is there, so many, almost if you check these details, you will find that entire physical world, how it is getting converted to a virtual world. The concept I have just discussed in my previous lecture. So this entire block is nothing but a big data. So this is small example how the things are going from a GB to TB and TB to BB, and that will go on. The length and breadth of the big data will not be focused to some little capacity, but it will just go on increasing. These are some of the customer scenarios, or these are some of the people who are using big data analytics. Some of the companies, anyway, we will be listing the companies more clearly in our next slide. Now, the very important concept, that is Hadoop. What is Hadoop? Distributed framework. Distributed framework that computes big data. Now we have come to a very important aspect. In all situations, I hope you are very alert now, because this is something what we were waiting from a long time. Is it? Because if someone is thorough in this, he is thorough in big data. If you are a research scholar, this is very important for you, because without this, you cannot get your PhD on big data. If you are a MTech scholar and want to do a project on big data, you will come across this. Without this, you cannot finish your project. So Hadoop is a wonderful and beautiful concept. It is purely based on distributed systems. So this has two features. Just concentrate half an hour very carefully. I will just deliver the concept to you. And remember, big data wonders are purely on Hadoop. If you know Hadoop, you can confidently say you know big data. So be with me only for next half an hour. So it has only two concepts, that is HDFS and you have map reduce framework. What is HDFS? Hadoop File Distributed System. Hadoop Distributed File System, is it? Yeah. And map reduce. This is the processing programming part of Hadoop. You know, this will be constant. That is, Hadoop distributed file system will be constant. That will be as it is. But whatever you will program, whether you are at MTech level, whether you are at research level, whatever you do is majorly on map and reduce. In fact, I don't hesitate to say, even if you are in engineering level, because even in Usmania University, almost B students are working on this Hadoop. So in all streams, at all levels, the thing is map and reduce. Let us see. If we go into the history of Hadoop, we can find that in 2002 and 2003, there were two scientists like Cutting and Mike. They were working in NUTS organization. When they were working in NUTS organization in 2003 to 2014, Google has submitted a paper, research paper. It has submitted a research paper on global file systems using map-reduce concept. They have submitted a research paper and map-reduce. Then again, after some time, this Cutting has added this distributed file system and map-reduce and worked in NUTS organization. Then later, this Cutting has shifted to Yahoo. Then the entire work with the Cutting has shifted to the Yahoo, and Yahoo has done great work on Hadoop. Whatever we are saying Hadoop system now, the great contribution or great credit goes to Yahoo. As I was just